Welcome to Check Out the Rileys. I got something exciting to show you real quick. I can't find the owner to this, but thought I'd show you his ride anyways. If he comes, we'll talk to him. But we're at the port, we're waiting to load our vehicle onto the boat and get the transfers or whatever. But I seen this great Jeep over here, and I just wanted to show it. It says 1959 on the back, so I'm not for sure if that's the year of it. But you can kind of tell it's been repainted and different things have been done to it. But it's still a pretty cool example of what they do with leftover army Jeeps. It has a little rust and stuff on it, and the body's been worked a few times, but it's pretty awesome. It's good shit. Probably got about a 4-cylinder engine in it, most likely. Of course, you know, we're not popping the hood, but as you see, it has what we call a bikini top. Made to fit on here with the roll bars and all that good stuff. You see some of the rust bubbles popping up over here. That's still a very cool vehicle. Come on front here, mama. I definitely wouldn't mind driving one around. Just not in the heat of the day because it gets so hot here, and then it is just an old Jeep Willy, I believe. Again, I can't be for sure because, you know, again, the owner's not here and I can't say what exactly it is. Just check it out with this. It's got some covers over the seat so it doesn't get too hot. Very basic stuff in here. Got one little window wiper. It looks like he takes care of it, and the floorboards look pretty solid in there. Only a few holes, which these things are known for having to replace the floorboards in them. Just take a look at this. You find these redone all over the place here in the Philippines. They make everything from the big Jimny vehicles that they ride around in to just a personal passenger vehicle. It's pretty awesome that they just didn't let them die or anything. They just continue to rework them and continue to enjoy them. Again, this is probably somebody's everyday vehicle that they use, not just for off-roading, but for driving to the store, to the church, to wherever they may be going. So, my wife at one point, I heard that she might have had one
red
like this, a red one, back in her youth. But she didn't think it was so cool back then. But I would have thought it was cool. But anyways, just thought I'd show it to you while we're sitting here waiting. If the owner comes back by, I'll ask him to fire it up for us and stuff. If there's time before we load onto the boat. So, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to us. We'll be doing a lot more car videos coming up. And Norte,
like this video and stay good and press the thumbs up.